Hi, this is Kat with Beadaholique, and in this video I'm here to give you an overview of the Swarovski crystal rhinestones for the sizes and to talk to you a little bit today about hot fix versus no hot fix, a question we do get quite a bit here at Beadaholique. So I'm going to start first by telling you a little bit about how rhinestones are sized. Rhinestones are commonly sized in something that is called an SS, which means stone size, or they can also be referred to by their PP, which means pearl plate. Pearl plate is generally used for stones that are very, very small. For example, PP1 is 0.8 millimeters, PP2 is 0.9 millimeters, and it goes up from there, and that's just a way to size the very, very small stones and rhinestones. Stone size is more commonly used, and I'll go over each of those as we look at our rhinestones here, and I'll point out exactly which one is which. We also have a great chart on our website that will tell you the exact measurements for each stone size. So now I'm going to talk to you really quickly about the difference between hot fix and no hot fix. Now, these ones here, these are our hot fix rhinestones. And you can see that the back has a little bit of almost a copper color to it, if you can see that. And what this is you'll end up using a Bejeweler Pro to pick this up, and then it will melt the backing, and that is the glue that you use when you're putting it onto a piece of fabric or even a hard surface. So basically the hot fix means that it comes with glue, kind of already on the back, but you have to have the special applicator in which to use that. Now I will say this, you can use these with regular glue, it just won't heat up the same way, but it works just fine. And these ones over here are the no hot fix. You can see that they have a little bit more of a foiled silver back, and these you can use with various different glues. We do have a video showing you which glue is best for your project, so be sure to check that out. And then I do want to show you really quickly what the difference is between the 2038 and the 2058. Now what this means is they just have slightly different sizes. So let me just pick these up real quick. And the orange one is the hot fix one, and that is the 2038. And you'll notice next to the blue one, which is the 2058, the no hot fix, you'll notice that the blue one sits up a little bit higher and comes to a little bit more of a point. So they are slightly differently shaped, if you can see that. And that's just a design preference depending on which one you'd like to use for your project. So let's get down to the sizes. So I have a penny here, and I'm going to be using the point of my pen to show you another example of scale. We're going to start here with the SS12. And the SS12 is 3 millimeters. And then we move on to the SS16, which is 4 millimeters. And then we move on to the SS20, which is 4.7 millimeters. And then finally for our hot fix, we have the SS34, which is 7.1 millimeters. So I hope that gives you a little bit of a scale for the ones using hot fix. So we're going to move along to this side, and this is the no hot fix rhinestones that we offer. And these are all going to be stone size. So this is stone size 5, which is a 1.8 millimeter, a 7, which is a 2.2 millimeter, a 9, which is a 2.6 millimeter, a 12, which is a 3.0 millimeter, a 16, which is a 4.0 millimeter, a 20, which is a 4.7 millimeter, the 30, which is a 6.4, 34, which is a 7.1, and then the largest size we have is an SS40, which is 8.6 millimeters. So this gives you a little bit of an overview, and you can see with the point of my pen and with the penny here that how the sizes vary. Now when you're up here in these small ones, they can be very, very tiny, and the change between each one is very small. So when you get down to these larger ones here, you'll want to be really careful about choosing the right size for your project. So I hope that gives you a little bit of a scale and a little bit of overview so that you're choosing the right size. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments below, and you can find all of these Swarovski crystals, including many more colors, at beadaholique.com.